Welcome back to Hero Review Episode 5, and today we are looking at Hiccup from the fantastic trilogy of films, How to Train Your Dragon. Shout out to the Dragon Critic for suggesting Hiccup, and as always, if you have a hero and you want me to review them, leave them down in the comments. Does dragon training convert well to being a good hero? Let's figure this thing out.
Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon.
Born into a village that has definitely killed a few multi-bears in its time, Hiccup seems to be the only person in town who isn't covered in facial hair and manliness. With his father being the town's toughest Viking, Hiccup is seen as a disappointment by the members of the town and even his own father. That is sad. Determined to kill the toughest dragon around, Hiccup invents this crossbow, which I feel like doesn't get enough attention, that he invents virtually what's like the big crossbow called? Well, I don't know, you get it. But he uses this thing to severely injure the most badass dragon of all time, the Night Fury. Downing the dragon with a near fatal shot, Hiccup finds himself in the same situation as his Nordic counterpart Atreus, cause he just can't do it. Luckily for Hiccup though, he befriends the dragon and rides it around while music swells and grown men cry. Hiccup then goes, hey, these dragons are the shit. But then his dad says, no, they aren't the shit. But then Hiccup says, shut up, yes they are. And then his dad says, oh, okay. And that's that. Straight up, I really like this origin. It promotes the perfect amount of being yourself while still finding a way to maintain your own culture. It's a great origin for setting up the groundwork for the plot, and it makes us understand Hiccup as a character.
I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are.
Hiccup is great because even when everyone hates him, even his dad, he refuses to change who he is. He gets the opportunity to change his life situation, but he would rather save an innocent life than reap the benefits of its death. It's a great message for really anyone to take away from this movie, and it's just one of the reasons I like him. It's also cool that he's unlike any other character in the film because he's not traditionally tough. The Vikings are hilarious, don't get me wrong, but Hiccup stands out. He might not be physically strong, but he is definitely emotionally strong. Another thing I think it's cool to see in a kid's movie. Hiccup himself as a character isn't super funny, but because he's such a hard contrast from the rest of the town, it makes for some great moments. I also like how Hiccup appears to be easily one of the smartest people in the town, and it shows how mental strength can be just as beneficial as physical strength. The fact that he trains a dragon is very impressive because he doesn't even have any experience doing it. He only picks it up because of his empathy and intellect, and it makes for some great scenes. He and Toothless learn a lot from each other, and it's one of the best dynamics you can find in a kid's movie. I also gotta give Hiccup props for figuring out that all you gotta do to train a dragon is like show it grass. I didn't know that made them so chill. Well, shit. At least now we know passing the blunt and asking for a light calms absolutely nobody down. You're right, if we're gonna train this thing, we gotta get somebody in close. Dibs on Aragon. Yo, fuck you, Bilbo. Why do I have to do it? Come on, Bilbo, that's not cool. But yeah, Aragon, you should go. Okay, first of all, Aragon, you're going. This isn't for discussion. Okay, fine, I'll go. But I hope your last season sucks. All right, you stupid dragon. Bring it. Damn, I thought that would work. Then again, we forgot to tell him what to do. Here's an idea. What if we go show him some grass? Hagrid, are you on crack, my dude? Aragon is dead, Hagrid, and we're all very sad about... Wait, never mind. I'm already over it. The best scene Hiccup has is, of course, when he finally gets Toothless to fly. How can anyone not just love this scene? Everything about this scene is absolutely fantastic, from the story behind it to the animation to the music. It's one of those scenes that just feels so special, you know? From a story standpoint, it's a moment we were all waiting for, and when we finally get it, it is so damn just rewarding. It reminds me a lot of Buckbeak's flight, but it's just so much better because it has the proper build-up, and it just means a lot more in the story. It's a great bonding moment for both Hiccup and Toothless, and the success of the flight kind of validates the rebellious acts Hiccup has been doing. Oh, and then we get the music, and if you want to hear a quality piece of music, go listen to the soundtrack for the scene. It is absolutely phenomenal. Chef's kiss. I really enjoy the scene, and I could go on talking about it for a long time, so if you haven't seen it in a while, go look it up on YouTube. It's just a banger, man. As far as being an actual hero, Hiccup embodies so many traits that make him quite the heroic character. The fact that Hiccup displays compassion when all the Vikings are just running around just killing people, killing dogs and chickens and coyotes and everything, it's crazy. It's also really interesting how everyone in the village talks so much just smack to him, but he never really says anything bad back. It shows that Hiccup is just a good person, and while he might be frustrated with his dad, he never really holds it against him. Throughout all 3 movies, he always grows as a character and shows that he's just a chill dude, man. He really is worthy of the title hero. Hiccup has a great origin that does a good job of setting him up as a character, and his motive is always new and interesting in each of the 3 movies. As a character, I also really enjoy him because he's so much just unlike the other characters. He really stands out. He's got some awesome scenes, and he does a lot of heroic things. Guys, just chill. I'm gonna give Hiccup an 8.5. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Hero Review, and comment below who I should review next. Let me know what you think of Hiccup in the comments below, and I hope your day is 10 out of 10. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Mm-hmm.